In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find draft posts on Facebook. If you've started creating a post for your Facebook page but didn't publish it right away, don't worry. Facebook saves that unfinished content as a draft, and you can usually find it through Meta Business Suite. I'll walk you through exactly where to go so you can open your draft, make changes if needed, and either keep it saved or publish it when you're ready. To begin, open Facebook and log into your account. Make sure you're signed into the profile that has access to the Facebook page where the draft was originally created. This is important because drafts are connected to that specific page, not just your personal profile. Once you're in, go to the Facebook page where you created the draft post. After the page opens, look for the option called Meta Business Suite and click on it. This is the main area Facebook uses to help manage page content, including scheduled posts, published posts, and drafts. Inside Meta Business Suite, look over to the left-hand menu. From there, select Content or Planner. Depending on the version you see, Facebook may organize posts a little differently, but both of these sections are commonly used to manage saved content. If you don't see your draft right away, give the page a moment to load and check carefully for post labels. Now look for any posts marked draft. This label helps you identify content that has been started but not published yet. Once you find the draft you want, click on it to open it. After the draft opens, you can review everything and edit the post if needed. This is a good time to double check the text, images, links, or formatting before moving forward. If something doesn't look right, you can update it here. When you're done, click Save as Draft if you want to keep working on it later, or click Publish if the post is ready to go live. That gives you flexibility depending on whether you're still making changes or you're ready to share it with your audience. And that's it. That's how to find a draft post on Facebook using Meta Business Suite. If Facebook's layout looks slightly different on your screen, don't panic. The key thing to remember is to go to your Facebook page, open Meta Business Suite, and check the Content or Planner section for anything labeled Draft.